Hello guys, today I am doing another video. I'm playing Subway Surfers. This might be the last time I vlog on Subway Surfers because this guy commented, why are you doing the same game? So I'm gonna try and do other games. So this might be the last one, the last vlog or video on this game. So yeah, yesterday I bought a wand from Ollivanders. It's a wand shop, and it's coming on Wednesday. So it's not tomorrow. It's after tomorrow, on 30th of November, Wednesday. And I just did Jelly Bean challenge. I don't know the name of it. It's called Jelly Beans. And I got a squid, so like really bad ones. On the first time, so I did a challenge with my sister. Oops. The challenge, and then I didn't do it. So I did it without my sister. It was like really good flavors. And when I was feeding her, I got like all the bad ones. I liked one of the bad ones. Okay, so I just got this random thing. Don't know what it was, but I got a double jump, but I didn't do any jump or anything. Maybe it's when you crashed. Maybe. Don't know. That's like pretty rare to get. So guys, I'm not just getting a one. I'm getting a time turner. I ordered pink sand in it. This is jump boost. Okay, so I don't know what to talk about. Whoops. So guys, sorry if I don't talk because I don't know what to talk about. But there was a key as well. So I got a bouncer band. Yep. So yesterday, as you know, I went to skate park at Rock Park. I did a video, and there because someone died, and I did a video for them. It was like 4 minutes short or something. It was really short, but I couldn't be asked to do it any longer. But it was like for the girl who died. What does this do? Oh my days. Can I jump high or what? I think I can. Okay, so oh my god. Holy days. So guys, on Friday I've got my Christmas bazaars at my school, and I might vlog there when I get my turn. So I might. That was weird. So. Oh guys, sorry if there's like people talking because it's my brother and sister. Guys, thank you who subscribed for me. I subscribed for you. Well, I will subscribe for you, whoever. Just comment down below if you subscribe for me, and I will give a shout out, and I will subscribe for you. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna pause this. Hey! Okay, whoopsie. Right. Oh. Doo doo. Glitch through anyone. This is so boring. So I'm gonna try be in whoops. Whoops. Bam bam. Bam bam. Holy moly, yeah! Guys, this is so dangerous. I've still got the taste of the Bean Boozled. Yeah, that's the word, Bean Boozled. Okay, so guys, I might end it here. So guys, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.